Now I am on a LinkedIn profile and I'm going to be adding one of the headlines I just showed you as an example. So basically when you're on your profile, all you do is you click on the little pencil right here. And then once you've clicked on that pencil, you will then go to the section here that says headline. If you don't edit your headline, by default, what will show up is your job title and the name of the company for which you work for. So that's the default setting that LinkedIn will provide for you. And then once you change it, you can change it to whatever you want it to be, as long as it meets the requirements of the 220 characters. So right here, we're going to take off this person's job title and we're going to add the headline that we looked at just a few minutes ago: Project Manager, Financial Risk Management, example number 1 of the humble brag. And then once that's been added in, we will just press save right here. And then you see that this person's headline now shows up right under their name. So that's how you add your headline on LinkedIn. If you are looking for tips on how to add your professional experience to your LinkedIn profile, I have another LinkedIn quick tip where I go through the step-by-step process to add a job or experience to your LinkedIn profile. You can click right here to watch that video. I'll see you in that one. Take care.